So all of a sudden my ear has just been like super painful and swollen. Good morning, guys. We are just kind of getting started with our day. Sydney is watching some homeschool videos so I can talk to you guys for just a minute. And I wanted to let you guys know I'm gonna go check out Dutch Healthcare today. I have kind of like an urgent care thing that I'm going in for, so we'll see how this goes. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but so look at my ears. This one, and then that one. As you can tell, this one's like super red and swollen, and this one's like normal and small. So I went to a new yoga studio that I actually really liked, and I did yoga, and that's the only thing I could think of that my ear would have like touched that was out of the ordinary. So all of a sudden my ear has just been like super painful and swollen for the past couple of days, and so I got an appointment today at 11:30 to go in and get my ear checked out and set up a general practitioner here. So my first time seeking healthcare in a foreign country. This should be interesting. Amy and I were planning on going to a museum later today, so that should be fun, as long as you know, I don't have to go seek any treatment other than just maybe an antibiotic or something. I don't know. So anyway, this is the little stinker this morning. She's just looking at her homeschool video. She's learning how to count to 10 this morning with the puppy counting farm. We are headed to the Rijksmuseum, so we're gonna go have some fun because it's a little bit windy and cold out today, so enjoy this video. You guys, to be honest, taking a kid to a museum was maybe not the best idea. It's pretty kid-friendly here, but she's just not really wanting to behave. She's just feeling naughty today, so we're probably gonna leave soon, but there's a playground outside, so we'll hit up that before we go home. So yeah, we are at Museum Place. As you can see, the Rijksmuseum is right there, and there is an awesome park and water feature and everything. This is where the Amsterdam sign used to be. It is no longer there, but we're headed to the park that is right in front of that. So we're going to go swing and play for a bit, and then head home for dinner. Guys are on our way home. Sydney just had a spill and she kind of has a fat lip, so I'm gonna take her home and take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna take her home and take a look and make sure she doesn't need any medical attention, but I think she's okay. She just had a little spill. She was running and excited, and now she's got a fat lip, so we're gonna go home. Alright guys, so we made it home, and I turned on a little cartoon for Sydney because she's kind of sad, and put a little Vaseline on her lip so that she has a little barrier there to kind of keep it protected. But yeah, she had a little spill up there, and her lip is definitely swollen. So anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update on my swelling here. As you can see, this ear is giant. Look at that ear, and then look at that ear. So I did go to the doctor here today. It was actually really super easy to get in. The doctor I found to be super reasonable and just like nice, and she held the same belief that I do about antibiotics, which is literally only take them if you absolutely are 100% sure you need them. And I'm actually like that about every medication. I haven't taken an over-the-counter medication in over 2 years, including like Tylenol and ibuprofen and stuff like that, just because I'm usually really healthy and don't have any pain. So I mean, that's one nice thing about it, that I just don't have to take it. But yeah, I just try and take things really sparingly, because I just don't think that putting excess stuff like that in your body all the time is good for it. And if there's a problem, you should try and fix the root cause. So yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on this ear. It looks like the swelling is like getting better in the lower half of the ear, but it's still really swollen from like here to here, but it's way less painful. So I don't know, I think there's just no way. There's no way to know what's caused it. Like, there's no like abrasion, there's no bite, there's no bump, there's no sore, there's no pustule, there's no anything to tell me why my ear would suddenly just like swell up and be super hot and painful. So I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I will say that I think I've got a couple lymph nodes right here that are a little bit sore from it being so swollen. But yeah, my neck isn't really sore anymore. It's just like my ear. I don't know. So The doctor said by the end of the week, if things don't improve like pretty significantly, to then come back in and then consider like an antibiotic or whatnot. But hopefully with cold compresses and just like leaving it alone, it will take care of itself. Because I think the body is amazing in its ability to heal itself if given the right things to do it with, the right building blocks to do it with. So yeah, that's what we're gonna wait and see on. And then yeah, right now I'm cooking some white bean soup for us. It's kind of like St. Patrick's Day themed. So yeah, if you're curious what I cooked on St. Patrick's Day, which was yesterday, because today is Monday, check out at Simply Plant-Based Living on Instagram, and I posted a recipe that is super, super good for St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you on Friday for a nutrition topic chat. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.